Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add bullet point in Excel graph. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many data. Now you want to insert the graph or chart. At first, select your data sheet. Now I am click inside the data and add the bullet point before the data. Press Alt and hold the Alt, then write 0149 on your keyboard, and we can see here automatically added the bullet point because the bullet point is not available this Excel. Again press 0149, then added the bullet point. Press and hold the Alt 0149. Then select your data. Now I am select the data, click and drag on our mouse, go to the insert menu, select the chart drop down menu, choose the column chart. Then we can see here the horizontal axis, and we can see here automatically added the bullet point into this axis or the chart. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.